The Cherub. My daughter, my life and flame, lovely, sweetie, beauty and cutie are her names. Born with a silver spoon, grew to be a commoner soon. A godmother with a magic wand, she mesmerizes one with a band. A toddler once, now a mother, a transition unbelievable rather. Wise, diligent, caring and loving, her love for Christ is a living. She waded umpteen tempers and hailstorms, her passion to rise made her strong. Two princesses to adorn her home, with their babblings and angelic salome. May you be an Esther and reign, your kingdom and wisdom divine. May you be called blessed, for multitudes to recline on you for rest. Let the years ahead engulf you with love and usher tons of blessings to our dove. May you be our sweetest ever, as the love for you will diminish never. Thank you, Mrs. Mary Rani.